So for today's video, ang topic po natin is assistive devices. So this includes crutches, cane, and walker. So unahin natin yung crutch. Ito po yung crutch or saklay. This one is the crutch pad, hand grip, length adjustment area, and then yung ferrule or rubber tip. So pagdating po sa crutches, meron po tayong tinatawag na gait. So it means manner of walking. So ano-ano ba yung manner of walking using crutches? So 2-point gait, 3-point gait, 4-point gait, swing to, and swing through. So unahin natin yung 2-point gait. So tandaan po, 2-point gait, i-forward po natin yung crutch with opposite leg. So dalawa-dalawa. Kaya siya tinawag na 2-point gait. And then followed by the other crutch with opposite leg. So ito po yun. So of course, tripod position, crutch with opposite leg, crutch with opposite leg, crutch with opposite leg. So yan po yung 2-point gait. 3-point gait naman, i-advance mo muna yung crutches. So take note, plural po ito, dalawang crutch po yung i-advance mo. Followed by weak leg, and then lastly, good leg. Panoorin natin. Crutches, weak leg, good leg. Crutches, weak leg, good leg. Crutches, weak leg, good leg. So, sa case na yan, ang weak side ko or ang weak leg is the left side nung nasa video. Next, 4-point gait or tandaan natin ito as isa-isa. So, yung isang crutch, iuuna mo or i-advance mo muna. Then, followed by the opposite leg, another crutch, and then followed by the opposite leg. So, ito, isang crutch, followed by opposite leg, isang crutch, followed by opposite leg, isang crutch, followed by opposite leg, isang crutch, opposite leg. Yun po, isa-isa. Next is swing to. So, magsiswing ka towards the level of the crutches. Pantay lang dun sa crutches. So, ito po yun. Ayan. So, pantay lang po. While yung swing through naman po is lalagpas ka dun sa level ng crutches. So, ayan. Yan po yung nasa video. Swing, lagpas. Swing, lagpas. Ayan. Next, pag-usapan po natin ang cane. Ayan, hawak ko po ay quad cane. 4 po ang paa, kaya quad cane. That's the hand grip, cane adjustment area, and yung ferrule or rubber tip. So, paano ba ginagamit yung cane? So, cane should be on the strong side. So, may dalawa tayong way. I-advance mo muna yung cane, followed by bad leg, and then good leg. Nakakabulol, no? So, again, cane, bad leg, followed by good leg. Tama din naman yung cane with bad leg, and then yung good leg. Basta, always remember, partner po ng assistive device, si bad leg. O kaya naman, hindi nyo siya iiwan. Papalagitnaan nyo siya assistive device, and then papalagitnaan nyo siya ng good leg. So, yan. Ito po yung cane. So, yung elbow mo dapat medyo, So, cane, bad leg, good leg. Cane, bad leg, good leg. Ang cane po dapat lagi nasa opposite side. Again, ulitin natin. Dapat yung elbow mo medyo bend. Ito po yung bad leg ko and then good leg ko. Cane, bad leg, good leg. Cane, bad leg, good leg. Cane, bad leg, good leg. So, hindi pa po nagtatapos dyan sa flat surface. Meron pa pong going up and going down the stairs using cane. So, always remember, good leg goes to heaven, bad leg goes to hell. Don't leave the weak leg behind. It is always with the assistive device para hindi kayo malito. So, in going up, ayan, and going down, ganito po. So, good leg, bad leg with cane. Pababa, bad leg with cane, then good leg. Ulitin po natin. Pataas, at saka pababa, ganito po. Good leg, followed by cane with bad leg. Pababa, cane with bad leg, and then good leg. Okay? Again, good leg goes to heaven, bad leg goes to hell. Don't forget this. Next, let's talk about walker. Ayan. So, walker po, para lang din siyang cane. So, walker, bad leg, good leg. Tama din naman yung walker with bad leg, then good leg. Ito po ay wheeled. So, i-roll mo siya. Bad leg, good leg. Roll, bad leg, good leg. Roll, bad leg, good leg. Roll, bad leg, good leg. Wheeled walker po yung kanina. So, this one is a standard walker naman. Same lang naman siya. I-advance mo lang siya instead of i-roll kasi naka-wheeled po yung nauna. Ayan, so if nagustuhan niyo po yung video ko, if you're reviewing NCLEX, Philippine Licensure Exam ng Nursing, ayan, so follow me. And also sa mga caregivers, mga nursing aid, na mga nag-aaral, ayan, so, or nagre-refresh, please subscribe and follow my channel. May TikTok din ako and Facebook. So, bye for now!